Hey, what's up? This is Tyler with Most Simple Guitar Lessons. I'm going to show you how to play Ghostin on acoustic guitar. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. I'd really appreciate that. Let's get started. To play this song, you're going to be in standard tuning with no capo. You will need 2 chords, and you're going to arpeggiate these chords, but the first one is F, and you're going to play it in this shape. So X, X, 3, 2, 1. So that's X, X, 3, 2, 1. I guess open, but you can just these 3 notes. And then your second chord is going to be an A minor chord. So A minor is open, open, 2, 2, 1, open. So A minor is open, open, 2, 2, 1, open. So to play that little guitar melody, you'll start with the D string and you'll go up. Right, so D, G, B, D, and then you just move to an A minor shape. Do that same melody. To play that high part, you just go E and B. Right, so the second part is. So the whole thing together. So that's that F chord. And then move to an A minor. And then that high note. So once more, up here so you can see the strings I'm plucking. So the only 2 shapes are just this F shape and this A minor shape. Probably the hardest part is just the strings to pluck. Fourth time you just go. Right, so. And then the 4th time you just, you play that F shape with that same. But and then you just, so the whole thing will sound like, so starting on A minor, I'll play up here so you can see what strings I'm plucking.